Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Snapchat and making sure the app can use your camera. Go to iPhone settings if needed and enable camera and microphone for Snapchat. Once done, launch Snapchat and tap the camera view so you're using the rear lens. Depth effects work best there. Make sure the app is updated, because portrait-style lenses move through the lens carousel and some require the newest app build for accurate depth processing. Now you'll pick the lens that creates a portrait effect. Tap and hold briefly on the subject in frame to lock focus and let Snapchat detect depth. Next, swipe through the lens carousel at the bottom until you see a lens labeled Portrait, Focus, or showing a blurred background preview. These apply depth blur. If you need a selfie portrait, switch to the front camera and confirm that the chosen lens supports front-facing depth effects before you shoot. To finish, position your subject, tap the shutter for a photo or hold for a short video with portrait blur, and then review the preview. Use the edit tools to adjust if available. If the background blur doesn't appear, switch cameras, reselect the lens, or close and reopen Snapchat to force reinitialization. Make sure your iPhone X has the latest iOS and Snapchat. When all else fails, reinstalling the app usually restores depth-capable lenses and resolves permission glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.